a hinge on two boards, and you want them to go to bend like that. So if you were to set that hinge there, how would you get the center of those holes? Well, first you get the hinge where you want it. And what did I do with I brought out some tape. Oh, here. And so you set the hinge where you want it and tape it in place like so that it doesn't move on either piece of wood. And so you'll put a piece of tape right there, and now it's in place and it won't move. But how do we get the center of those holes? Well, here we have what's called a self-centering bit, and it's for a number 5 screw, or you have for a number 9, and they have various sizes, of course. So if you take this and put it on your drill like so, find that little indentation. Let's use the larger one just because I have some small hinges I put on sometimes, especially on the arc where I need that, but in this case I'm going to use a little bit larger. So you just put that right in the center, and that drills a hole for each screw. And centers it right in the center of the hinge. Now you can take your regular drill bit which is right here, and put it on your driver. And you either can partially remove the tape, and you see that hole's right in the center. I don't know if you can see that on the camera.
Let's take a look at it.
Right there is right in the center of the hole. And then we can come back with our drill and our screw, and you see how easy that makes putting on a hinge. And it's right in the center of the hole where we want it. Pull it all the way off. Of course, you could throw that away and do the same thing on the other side. And, oh yeah, I have another screw back there. Thought I was running out of screws. And one more. Now we have a hinged pair of boards. Okay.